All right, hello everyone. You were just assigned your globalization grill, and today you're working on your beverage component, which is the first part in which you're reading the news article, What is Globalization, starting from the beginning, and completing one of the choices there. Now, if you're choosing to do a flip grid or a Powtoon or an infographic, my guess is you know how to do that. However, Sutori may be new to you, and what Sutori allows you to do is to create a interactive um, multimedia timeline. So with it, I'm just going to Google Sutori up in the Omnibar, and what it does, I already have an account. You're going to need to create one. The class code is on the Globalization Grill menu. So I'm going to sign in, and once I sign in, I am going to let it load. I'm going to go to my stories, and when it goes to my stories, I'm going to click on create a new story once it loads. So here's the create a new story button when you create. Uh, all the rest of them are templates that you have to pay for. We're not using those. We are only using the free features. All you need to use is the free feature. So blank, when you click on it, it'll load. So the first thing you're going to need to do is title it. What I'm going to title it is the title of the article, What is Globalization, as soon as it loads. Oh, right here. Insert title, What is Globalization? All right. What is your timeline going to accomplish? This timeline will detail history of globalization as well as point out factors that are increasing the rate of globalization today. In addition, I will detail the effects of globalization on culture, economy, economies, and politics. Now, you need to detail the effects on all three. That has been an issue in the past. I always try and point you um, to not make the same mistakes of students that have gone in the past. And what students will do is they'll talk about the history of globalization, they'll talk about why it's happening at a rate faster today than ever before, but then they don't talk about the effects on culture, economy, and politics. So you need to do that. So um, your subheading, history, one of the first things that they mention is the Silk Road. So how you add onto the timeline is you just click on here and then text. All right. And with text, it could be uh, Silk Road was an ancient trading route that spanned from China to the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Oop, Med. That's not right. We're gonna have to look up what's Mediterranean Sea. Med I, two R's. Okay, there we go. All right, so I've added text. You can also add in media. So I already have it in there. You can search through Unsplash. You can get a link to the image. You can include YouTube videos if you want. I am just going to click here and my pictures, silk All right, it uploads. Excellent. So that's all good. I'm going to add another spot. You can add in um, text. You can add in images. Looks like all of this other stuff they've now made a freemium, which stinks, but because this used to all be free. But you do not need to include any of the stuff that is premium. Do not pay for premium. The district doesn't pay for premium. Um, you can do everything you need just using text and images. And you can also, like I said, include links to YouTube videos, but you wouldn't need to do that for this anyways. So that is Sutori. If you have any questions, obviously, you can always ask me. When you get done, you're going to click on the share button. And when you click on the share button, you're going to share here, and you have to make it public. You have to make it public. You have to make it public. Make sure you make it public. And when you make it sure it's public, then you're going to click on copy, and that's what you're going to turn in on my Canvas assignments. All right. So simple as that. That's Sutori, and I will talk to you later.